Well guys, if you watch my channel normally, you see me out fishing in the old John boat, and I finally broke down and I bought me a Fishfinder for it, and I wanted something just put on the John boat, didn't break the bank, so I got on Amazon and read the reviews like all y'all do, and come up with this Garmin Striker 4 for a little over $100. I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you what's in it. We're gonna go straight and put it on the boat, and we're gonna trial it on the boat. I'm not gonna go through a whole bunch of BS. We're just gonna see what it does. But hey, this is a 3.5-inch fish finder with built-in GPS and chirp sonar. So let's unbox it and see what's in it. I've never seen one either, so we're gonna see it together for the first time. So. Yeah, I believe that's like a mounting base for it. There's the cable to hook it up, and there's more parts to hook it up. I believe that's the transducer, and man, it looks like it's got a lot of cable. Looks like it's got an owner's manual. And another manual. That's a big one there. There's some screws. And there's the unit itself. Let's go put it on the boat and try it and see what it looks like. Well guys, if you can see, I've got it mounted here on my John boat. I've got it mounted using my Scotty mount, and this video is strictly on the Garmin, but if you want to see how I've got it on this Scotty mount, at the end I'm going to have an end screen so you can see how I've done this, and I'm also going to put a link down in the description. But I got this just so I can take it in and out of my boat with no problem. So hey, the first thing let's turn this thing on and see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's come on. So let me get turned around here where the sun's not right in our eyes. All right, let's try out the traditional. So what I want to do, it's on traditional. If I want to scroll up and down, I use these arrows. Then I hit the check mark. All right, there we are on traditional. As you can see, it's 8 feet. The water temperature is 61.7. I'm going 2 miles an hour, 2.13, 12 volt in my battery, and it's 208. So let's ride just a second. You can see the bottom on this traditional. Looks pretty cool. I'm going down to 17.9. There's 18. Keeps going. Hey, for a little $100 graph, that's pretty good. So now let's go to the flasher. So you just hit your back arrow. I'm going to scroll down to flasher, hit the check mark. There's your flasher. That's the old type that we used to have years ago. You can see 20 foot water temperature, and it's got your voltage on it. That's what your old flasher looks like. All right, let's go back. You can see some of these other ones. Let's go down to split frequency. Again, there's what you look like on your split frequency. You can see your depth, you can see your bottom. All right, let's go back. You also got waypoints. You can mark waypoints. You got your settings, but I'm not going to go over all that real. You can read and play with that. But the main thing I wanted to just show you was the traditional and the flasher. But let's look at this traditional one more time so you get an idea of what it looks like. As I go, depth is changing. Water temp 3.42. Shows you your voltage and your time. Like I say, for $100. Man, there's a big hump right there. There's where the bottom. Well guys, that was just a quick demonstration of this Garmin Striker 4. Hey, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little something. Like I say, if you're just wanting to put this on your John boat or your kayak, whatever, for $100, I don't think you can hardly go wrong. And again, if you want to see how I've got it mounted so you can take it in and out with no problem, I'm going to have the link in the description. So, hey, if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Hey, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.